Second take. Scene 1, take 2. Roll. Camera.
अच्छा ठीक है.
Action.
मत करवा ऐसा.
Roll camera.
ठीक है.
Roll camera. Action.
Yeah, so hey guys, my name is Krishna Mata. अबे यार. तू कट कर.
Roll
Anxiety.
camera. Action.
कर यार. अबे भाई.
चल. Roll camera. Action.
Yeah, so hey guys, my name is Krishna Mata and this is going to be a really special video because we have a guest here. His name is Prakash Pathak. He's a full-time freelancer and he's like a web developer, app developer and like desktop applications developer, like everything like you can think of, he does it all. Alright, he is like doing freelancing from many years and now he's like a pro at it. So today he's gonna be giving you few tips and like that you can follow to become a successful freelancer basically. So yeah, welcome Jai, how you doing?
I'm good. Thank you for calling.
Yeah, so do you mind like introducing yourself once again for the audience?
So hello everyone, first of all my name is Prakash Pathak. I can call myself as a programmer right now, teacher, YouTuber, what else? I don't know. Basically I've been coding from like class 6, so you can say like from age like 13, 14, and it's been an incredible journey till now. This is something which I had passion for, which I love the most in my life. I literally love programming. Okay, that's the first thing. Second thing is what I do and what I am. Basically, I am a web developer as well as a desktop app developer as well as an Android app developer, but I do not develop iOS applications. So that's the one thing which I do not do. Okay, that's the one thing. And other than yes, so noted. Yeah, I don't do it iOS development. That's important, right? So and I also have a YouTube channel. So that's something which I've recently started. So
Link will be in the description.
Promotions are important. See,
Yes.
yeah, that's very important. Yeah, so that's all I am, Krishna. And one more thing, thanks for calling me.
Yeah, so I just want to ask you that why freelancing? Because most of the kids out there, just play and like waste their time. And like why freelancing? Because I guess you started freelancing when you were at standard 9, I guess. Yes. So why freelancing?
Okay, so freelancing, first of all, freelancing gives you an incredible amount of experience in the field in which you want to work for. Okay, so if I talk about my field, which is programming and web and application development, developing an actual application for actual people is completely different from developing a project for the school. Okay, because you will have to take care of each and everything, of security, of how the UI is going to look, what is the user experience going to be, everything. So you will get a very good amount of experience by doing freelancing projects, first of all. Second, the money, the softwares are really paid well, I'll say, the freelancing projects. So you will get money if you want money in your earlier stage and you also want a lot of experience. This is the best place to go for freelancing, and that's why I chose this as a career.
Yeah, so actually many of us have different reasons for choosing like freelancing or any other, job. So that's the reason for you. That's really great. Yeah. So for like the next question will be how you got your first project. Okay, because many of the new freelancers really struggle a lot for getting their first project on platforms like Fiverr and freelancer.com. So would you suggest like taking up local projects or going into these platforms and then like bidding on projects? So what do you prefer?
The preference is whatever you get first. So if you get a local project first, that's great. But the thing is, there's a slight bit of problem with a local project. Most of the local projects, you cannot directly go to companies and contact for a local project, right? You can in few cases, but not in all cases. In most cases, I'll say. So the best way is simply go to freelancing website. You will get a very like decently paid software projects. And initially, this is very important. If you like, if I talk about freelancing, your initial project, set your some low level mark. Okay, don't set it really high, like I want a project worth like $1,000 initially. Set it like $200, $300 initially.
Know the like worth of your skills, basically.
Correct.
That. Yes.
And then you can slowly increase your price. Like initially I used to do like $200-$300 project. Right now I'm doing $1,000 project. It really depends on your experience. So that's how it is.
So you see, like that's how you get your first project. Okay, yeah. So like the next question would be, like where do you see yourself in next 5 years? Like still doing freelancing or working in some corporate or IT company or what?
Okay, so in next 5 years, okay, so that's a very good question, I'll say. So first of all, right now I'm a programmer. So first of all, I'll continue programming. That's a very important thing. I want to develop my own product, which could really help people, which could help to make their life easier. So that's what I'll be doing. But to do that, we need funds, we need capital, right? So for arranging that capital, I would work. I will, I would love to go to companies, work for them, gain enough experience about how to manage teams, how to develop professional applications, and how to do stuff. Actually, what is the correct way of doing things? And I think it would be helping me. So first, I'll go to some company, work for few years, and then I would create my own product. That's where I see in next 5 years.
Yeah, because gaining experience never gets old. You know, आप मतलब जितना चाहोगे, जितना भी आप experience लोगे, वो कम ही होता है. ठीक है, then you should continue gaining experience more and more. That's really important. Okay, so Jay, the next question would be like, what you want to suggest the newbie freelancers, like how can they become a successful freelancer on these platforms like Fiverr and Freelancer or locally?
Okay, so first of all, for all the new all the new freelancers out there, I would say a presentation is really important. So if you have a Fiverr account, if you have a freelancer account, simply present yourself really well over there. Okay, so if you bid on some project, write the description and all the things really nicely. The keyword is really important. Nobody reads your whole thing. Nobody has that much time. So include, let's say if you get a video streaming project, so include the keywords. Like if you will be using RTSP, real-time streaming protocol, for your application, if you will be using Node.js, what all backends technology which you will be using, mention these things, because this creates a trust on you that you can really develop the project. Okay, so this is really important. This is the one pro tip I'll give you. The next is, if you get contacted by the client, your communication skills really plays a very vital role. So you will have to create trust with your client, so that they could trust you that you can develop the application in the time slot which you have given. And the very important, develop the application on time. If you will not delivering on the time, they will not contact you for the next project. Okay, so those are the three very vital point for new freelancers.
Yeah, so I guess these pro tips will definitely help our viewers, like those who watch this video. It will definitely help them. Yeah, so I'll just wind up this video. I hope you liked the video. If you really like the video, then just hit the like button, and if you like our content, then also subscribe to the channel. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye bye.